does a reggae band make money in Jamaica? Does a reggae band make money in Jamaica? I don't think they do.
Africa, where me come from. Feet kind of hurt 'cause I've been trapped in so long. What slavery days when them the
Everybody want the mic, nobody want to play. Everybody want to be a star out front.
How many reggae bands do I know in Kingston other than the reggae band I play in? Boy, I'll have to say about 3.
You need musicians, man. Yeah, you need players of instruments. You need harmony. You need music. You don't need beats and lyrics, man. That's why we're going down in poverty, because you have people who is talented get round the drums and he can't get a job because they're using computers to make loops. And he can't get a job. You know, we have to have somebody who is keeping the old tradition alive.
in this